Learn with Rose.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Rose Chabra, and welcome to Learn with Rose. This is day 9 of our series, Speak English with Rose. In this series, we are learning how to speak English step by step, from basic to advanced, in a simple and practical way. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about your after-school routine in English. In the last video, we talked about daily routine. Today, we will focus on what you do after school or after work. Let's begin. When you finish school or work, you can say, I come back home. I reach home. Now what do you do after that? Listen and repeat. I take rest. I relax. I change my clothes. I wash my hands. Now let's continue. I eat food. I have lunch. I have a snack. Now for study time. I do my homework. I study. I complete my work. Now evening activities. I go out. I play with friends. I watch TV. I use my phone. Now night routine. I eat dinner. I study again. I talk to my family. I go to bed. I sleep. Now let's combine these into a natural flow. Repeat after me. I come back home and take rest. I change my clothes and wash my hands. I eat food and relax. I do my homework and study. I play or watch TV. I spend time with my family. I eat dinner and go to bed. Now let's make it more natural. I come back home in the afternoon. I take rest for some time. I do my homework. I study in the evening. I play with my friends. I watch TV at night. I go to bed and sleep. Now, let's do a quick speaking practice. Repeat after me. I come back home. I take rest. I do my homework. I study every day. I play in the evening. I sleep at night. Now it is your turn. Speak about your after-school routine. Use simple sentences. Say it out loud. I come back home. I eat food. I study. I play. I sleep. This is how you will build fluency. This is day 9. And now you can talk about your routine more clearly in English. In the next lesson, we are going to learn talking at home in English and how to speak simple sentences in daily home situations. Make sure you come back for day 10, talking at home in English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.